Come on, let's go. Push, 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 push. Get that price moving. Get that price moving. Oh no. It might hold the bullish gap here. I'm not moving stop to break even yet. It's too small. Actually, I should move stop to break even. Let's go. Let's see a little pop here. If not, this is going to be weird. I think we go lower than this, which could indicate taking out the LRLRs. Oh, I hope we don't do that. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's pump up. Let's go ES. Let's go ES. Let's go Qs. Qs are rebounding. They're delivering a little bit. Mag 7 is also doing the same. Let's go. Bitcoin at 90. Let's go. Let's get a push. We're just going outside. Just wants to go sun tanning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I had a good feeling for Friday as long as we hit these levels. Good feeling for Friday. We just need to close above the 30-second gap here now. Or the 1-minute gap. We already did on the 2-minute. Oh, shit. We're going to make a 2-minute order block. Wow. We're going to make a 3-minute order block, too, if we can hold up above the body, above 623 in the next 2 minutes. Let's hold our breath. Let's hold our breath. Remember, we're not out of this yet. It's 29 minutes until market open. We need, basically, in the next 25 minutes before market open, we need to surpass the 50%. We need to get past discount. We need to get into premium and realistically hold. I need to see like a low created at or above the 50% on either or both indices. And that would be super good. We still haven't gotten the close over on the 1 minute or the 30-second did close over for ES. It has not quite yet for NQ. How do I get the timer? Whatever. All right, that's a close over. So that's break even now. Now I'm going to confidently move to break even. Because now we've gotten everything: the break of structure, the market structure shift, the change of character, change in state delivery. This is looking like a winner chicken dinner. I think, guys, we're going to be done pre-market. I think we're going to be done with the day pre-market. It's one of those days. It's a good day. Go to the gym, Crush that. Maybe go hit some golf balls because I'll have extra time. There's a car meet tonight. I just got the car, a whole new transmission service again. Car only went like 7,000 miles. Got the transmission service because it was leaking just a little bit. The little gasket was like folded over a little bit. It wasn't totally sealed. So we got that fixed. New oil. We're going to do lowering springs soon. And we're doing the Pure 900s. The C63 is going to be touching 750 horse pretty soon. It's going to be a fucking beast. Can I show you what an order block is? Yeah, I can show you really quickly. I also have videos on it in the beginner sections of the video. So basically, order block is really easy. You're going to get this quick. Well, actually, it did take me a little bit. It's a 3-candle formation. That's all it is. Think of it as a sandwich. You got your 2 slices of bread on the outside and peanut butter on the inside. Peanut butter sandwich, right? Let me show you the perfect example. This includes two servings of peanut butter, let's say. But we have our bread and our peanut butter. We're bullish, so we're going up. So the order block, this is a bullish order block where price was coming down. The peanut butter is what's trying to fight in this case. Price, right? And the confirmation of the order block is the close of the other piece of bread, the final piece of bread to make the sandwich. It closes over the peanut butter, not the wick. Ignore all wicks. Wicks don't matter with order blocks. Only the close here is over the peanut butter. Had this candle have closed down here, it would not have been a confirmed order block. This is an order block. On the 3-minute, this is a perfect order block where you have bread, 1 serving of peanut butter, bread. We might get another serving of peanut butter with another sandwich of bread, and that's a propulsion block where you get order block followed by order block. It's a propulsion block. Maybe we don't even get the red candle here, but if it was that wants to typically shoot price up, hence the name propulsion. It gives it a little more momentum, propulsion into, in this case, buy side. Hope that answered your question. And if you need more help, I'm not helping. Go Google. No, just kidding. All right, if you need more help, let me know. But yeah, it's 3-candle formation. If it's more candles, they all have to be the same color. So you could still include the green candles before here. You can connect everything. So when you go down to the 1-minute, sometimes you have to connect. So this is an order block because we were coming up. This is 1 piece of bread, these 3 candles, and then these 3 candles, right? It's perfect. 3 servings each. Bread, 3 servings peanut butter, 3 servings of bread closed over the peanut butter. I'm hungry. I need a sandwich. Oh, shit. Rooster's cooking alive out there. All right, I'm just going to let this cook. Really, if you can look at it, it's pretty obvious that price is going to want to kick up at least into this IRL liquidity bearish pool, right? You can connect all of these red candles together. There's not a single green. So when we bump up to the 2-minute, this shit can load. Got the best internet in Florida. Then this is all one bearish gap. You see that? And I keep going up the time frame. This will just be 1 or 2. See that? So we have to get, in order for full confirmation, we need the 5-minute and the 15-minute to close over. We need a candle to go all the way and do it. And it looks very daunting. And that's why I think it's going to do it. Because the market likes to create confusing messes and big stop losses. It wants to make you scared of the movement. So the fact that this is a huge fair value gap, I bet you we could fill that in 1 or 2 candles. I bet by market open, we close over that. If we don't, then you know we're going more to sell side. You know that. And now you know. I really like that 5-minute close over because you had an order block close over and you have some space there. It's risky because you have numerous bearish gaps. But I'm telling you, I really do think sweeping the overnight here is enough for us to pop up a good 50 to 100 points. Do I think the whole trade plays out in this distribution? Maybe. That's what I'm banking on, right? But there's a chance where this comes up to consequent encroachment, which is like halfway of the bearish gap. We deliver bearish, we come down, and we create some other form of bullish SMT. Or my biggest fear, if we're not in the short, and I want us to be in the short for it, is we catch these stacked lows. See all these fucking lows? It's not perfect, but look at that. Look, just, would you look at that? Would you look at this? Look at this. So eventually price is going to go up high enough and it's go, and it's going to go all the way to like here or here or here or here. But yeah, we can look forward to that correction at some point. Oh, we're pumping. Oh, we're pumping. Is everybody making money? Who's making money? Let me get some ones in the chat. Let me get some ones in the chat. Nice, Levy. Levy's in. Blake's in. Jay's in. Jay's in again. I love it. Yeah, we're all in. Nice. I'll make that a YouTube story. I crack myself up. Nice. Ryan just got his live account. So with Top Step, they just rewarded him. He's one of the best traders of Top Step with a live account. He's trading live Top Step account now. So that's really great. Apex does it as well. It's very rare. It's probably the most prestigious accomplishment you can do in prop firm day trading. As far as milestones and achievements, there is such a thing as an Apex Live account. I don't have it, not yet. I believe Dodgy just got it like 2 months ago, and they give you an email and it says like we evaluated everything, your risk, reward. We've decided that you are among the top 1% of our funded traders. It's a big deal. So my goal is to get there. If not, I'm just gonna drain Apex of all their money, get my $500,000 from the 25K of each account, right? 25 times 20, I believe, is 500. Yeah. And so that's $500,000. Once I hit that, because they're going to start after by that point, then they're really going to start to say, hey, you can't get more accounts. These prop firms, they create all these new rules for specific successful traders. So at the point where Apex is like not playing ball anymore, because it's a casino. You have to understand that these prop firms are casinos, right? The house wants to win. That's how they thrive and how they stay alive. They don't want successful traders. When someone's counting cards at the blackjack table and it's pretty obvious and someone keeps winning hand after hand and they know the count, they're asked to leave. They're asked to never come back and they're barred from the casino. That is essentially what happens when you get too good at prop firm trading. Or at least that you have a community where it benefits them to keep you a trader because you're providing them with a revenue stream of hundreds of people buying, evals and fundeds. So you can see how it's just a constant ecosystem life cycle, just like a casino. So the goal for everyone long term, truth be told, is everyone will be on a live account eventually. You'll all only be using a live account one day when you're a professional day trader. Because why play by anyone's rules? Why be told to get out of your trade at 4:59 p.m. and you can't be automatically in it at 6? You can't hold and swing a trade. All these rules, they disappear with a live account. The only problem is it's your own money and you have to take a lot more size. So instead of 20 Apex accounts with, 1 to 5 micros, I now have to take 20 micros, 10 micros minimum. I got to take minis now, 1 to 3 minis. So, yeah. Just blabbing as we get ready for market open in 17 minutes as price just keeps on boogieing up. And again, it might just do it very slowly because it doesn't want people to just see this mechanical formation and just blindly get in long. We might have some pullbacks. It might take a few candles to completely inverse this. But I like that needle that completely filled NQ and almost completely ES. That's really nice. Huge momentum, sell side sweep, overnight sweep, checks every box, especially maybe the people sleeping in on Friday are unaware of this. They didn't get in on time. So, again, it's not over yet. We still got to hold this all the way through. Yeah, the only thing that didn't make this like A plus plus this setup was that it wasn't a protected low. Excuse me, it is a excuse me, news alert. It is a protected low on ES. This is a swing low that took out another swing low inside of the fair value gap. This is a protected low. Ladies and gentlemen, we're not coming back to this low for a while. This has been my message. We're not exactly a protected low over here because we don't have the hour gap, and the 15 we went beyond, but the 5 minute, I think there was a little room. And notice on the 15, we also have a swing low inside the gap. So arguably that's a protected low as well. This is an A plus setup. This was an A plus setup. Oh, I love these days. Friday, start the weekend, done before market open. Well, we'll see about that. Don't get cocky. Don't get cocky now. What's up, Ryan? I see you. What up, bro? You take the long, Ryan? Or is it just the funded, the live account now? Are you scared to use it? Are you afraid if you use it, you'll lose it? You gotta use it. You gotta be quicker than that. Really nice V-shaped recovery. Really nice. Very sexy. Very sexy. Very nice. Very happy about it. Very happy about the sexiness of NQ and ES right now. Super sexy. So sexy. So nice. So good. Two band skis. Wow, Vision made two bands. Remember, we're not out of this yet. We need to punch through. There we go. ES is doing it. ES is doing it, so NQ will follow.
Yo, good morning.
Samson's in the building. Samson caught a killer trade last night. So, god damn it. I'm spilling my.
Yes, sir. Nah, I was a little scalped though. Just secured a payout. Let's fucking go.
There you go.
But no, basically, I caught the top of that move. Enter off a 5 minute inverse. Big dog.
Oh, I hope market open doesn't fuck us up. Oh,
Was that on mute?
no.
Okay.
What, my fart?
What?
I just farted. Is that what you heard?
Nah.
Ah.
Now I know you farted though.
I just ripped a fart, but it's got noise suppression on, so I thought maybe you didn't hear it. I'm a little gassy this morning. Bruce
Yeah, I
was
feel
gassy
you.
this morning. Bruce let off. Oh my god. Ooh. Bruce has got some diabolical farts. This fucking guy. He even looks guilty. He's like, yeah, I ripped ass. Ripped ass. Big ass. Big poops. Big poopies. Yeah. Big poop. And then you had your breakfast. And you had your breakfast. That's a good emoji. I'm gonna steal that one day, Jay. You got the purple do rag, baby, with the iced out watch. That's a good one. I'm gonna steal that. All right, we jumped into consequent encroachment of 15. We're in the second 5 minute. This is where it gets interesting. This is where it gets interesting. The long is longing right now. That's for sure. The long is longing. The Qs and Mag 7 are getting a bit more of a pump. They still have to get through a 5 minute gap as well. Go figure. Oh shit. If we can just get a little more pump, we can get a 15-minute close over by 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 market open. Oh fuck. That would confirm. That would if as long as I don't want to put my hopes up, Jesus Christ. But if we get on both indices, if we're able to get a close over on this 15 by 930 at market open, and it's a clear close over, then we may retrace at market open, but mechanically we should hold and keep going to buy side. There might be a retracement off of open where we come down. Maybe we create a bullish SMT. Um, Not sure what other else could happen, but we don't need the close over, but it would really help. It would be significant. All right, guys, welcome whoever's just been joining. I'm hoping at the 30-second left here, we got to close over the 15-minute. That would be nice. Holy shit, it's going to do it. All right, there's market open. Hold on to your hats. Oof. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. You're too nice. Holy titties. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Oh God, hang on. I'm thinking. Oh Jesus. Fuck. 755 TP? Yeah, fine. Wait, I don't know. We're going really fast to it. Oh fuck it. All right, 755. I'm done. I'm out. I'm gonna get out at 755. Is that okay?
No.
No? You think
No, that's great. Yeah.
you think we go higher? I think we go higher.
Shit with momentum. Holy fuck. Just trail, I guess.
Okay.
Trail. Oh my god, just trail, yeah. Get this shit. But put stop loss at TP.
At 55?
Yep.
Yeah, it's there.
Then now you just relax.
All right, I'm not gonna look.
You can relax just at a higher TP.
Go baby, go baby. Fucking run. I'm gonna scream if it goes past 773. Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Holy shit. Push a little more. Holy shit. Holy fuck. All right, I'm out. It didn't push further. 155.
Nice.
I'll keep watching for everyone because yeah, it'll keep going. That's fine. I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's go. Let's fucking go. All right, there's a chance we keep pushing up, guys, but we're right at the top of the hour, 15-minute bearish gap. Okay, so this is it. It's either going to dump and we come all the way down, we take out overnight lows, we take out some of the LR high time frame stack lows below from days prior, or we are going to push, and we're going to keep going into that final bearish gap, which starts. Well, first we have to take 891 out. Those are significant highs. And then there's an actual significant gap above at 975. So it's another 200 points away if it's going to do that, or it'll take out these relative equal highs in this bearish gap. So, oh well. Oh, we're still not going anywhere. All right, that was a great place to TP. I'm happy. Great place.
Was it your entry?
That's the trade that you see right there. Yeah, 601.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, that's
We're done.
that's pretty aesthetically pleasing.
It's aesthetic. It happened so
Like
fast.
the way it looks.
It happened so fast. Thanks, Ethan. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Vision. Sensei, welcome. I see you're in the live. Welcome, bro. Oh wait, you were. You left. All right, whatever. Still acting a bit bullish here. I didn't want to see us come back all the way up here to these highs, so I wouldn't take a short just yet. It's not looking so great. You're about to get a 2-minute order block and a 3-minute major order block. 5 minutes just pushing. Damn, I should have held. I should have held. Can you not DM me yourself on Discord? I thought I could like send myself a message to save.
I don't think so. Let's see.
Thought I could. I'm gonna start sending welcome messages to everyone that joins. I'm just gonna do a one-off, like, "Hey, welcome. Let me know if you need anything. Make sure you have all the, the show all channels box checked, and then, yeah, just welcome."
Nice.
Oh, shorts are looking good now. Whoa. Bearish SMT low time frame, 30-second close under there. If you wanted, you could stop loss 773. You're already in. Now you're chasing on that other bullish gap closed under. You got the 1 minute. Now we could keep delivering, but this is your chance now. We took the buy side. We took overnight highs. We have a bearish SMT here. This is delivering from that bearish gap, which started with a triple relative equal highs. So we're still in that gap. This is worthy of a, sort of worthy of a short. I wouldn't take it after a win already. If you haven't taken a trade yet, it's possibly, yeah, pretty good. Only other thing is you zip down to a lower time frame, and then you might see a retracement and like the confirmation setup. But yeah, like I said, like you would have already been in this. You would have taken that 30 inside here, hoping to come down, take this, which would have given you the close on the higher time frame and the extra 30-second bullish gap. Then you have the momentum to keep going into more bullish gaps, knowing that you're probably going to go to the last presented, or the first, whatever you want to say, the first presented in this sequence of bullish gaps. So notice how we're touching that now. We may come out of it from here. But again, you would have entered at 747. You'd be, you'd be like 40 points up right there. So yeah, you can see how quick things are moving now. Keep in mind, I totally forgot. Keep waiting. We have 10 a.m. major red folder. So this could keep delivering down, or it's going to pop back up for the 10 a.m. reversal. So let's be mindful of that too. Please keep in mind of the 10 a.m. red folder. Getting a little pop now from the bullish gap at the bottom, the first presented or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Shit. Yeah, so you're probably going to pop up now from there. Take a little more buy side. Get ready for that 10 a.m. reversal. Hopefully you're at break even. If you took the 30 seconds short, it's probably coming back up to meet your maker or be your maker, whatever. Um, yeah, even Dodgy said easiest play of the week. It was. That was textbook. That was easy. We don't always get plays like that fucking easy. But we got it. Definitely wasn't willing to go through the volatility here. I'm glad I got out where I did because we were only going to grab about 20 more points from where it's dropped, and I don't want to sit through that shit. So I'm very happy, very pleased. All right, Blake, enjoy the gym. Nice vision, caught more. You're done. Be done. Be done. Congrats, everyone, on a beautiful week. Don't forget to post your profits or your trades in chat or in profits. Don't forget to write a quick testimonial in the testimonial section channel if you love the community. Yeah. One last reminder. If you haven't, go to the top, Liquid Levy server dropdown and make sure the checkbox show all channels is checked. You need to be able to see all the channels. There's not a lot. There's just some that don't default. They don't defaultly show. You're missing index commentary, trade recaps, education sections, a lot of value that can only help. So check that box. You'll see all the YouTube videos. You'll see the education, again, index commentary, trade recap. I think there's just stuff that isn't viewable when you first join. So make sure you have that and you see everything. Notifications on because I'm trying to really be better at the signals and just tell you like today I was really explicit about liking the setup, looking for longs, overnight sweep. There really, in hindsight, wasn't any or many reasons why you didn't take the long today. And you could have taken a nice short down to the 50%, trimmed there, secured some profits, which Vision did. And I believe we're going to continue up into a little more buy side. A little more buy side. I think the day wants to come up into these highs here. And again, I know I got to hold my winners more, but once you get into the 150 points profit and beyond, you can realize profit. It's really getting to the 100 points and beyond that you need to hold. I don't accept under 100 point plays anymore. I just don't like it. So that for me, holding my winners is getting at least the 100 points. Sometimes the 200. We've definitely had those bangers. We've had some 300-point days, and my record is 531. So we'll get back to that someday. Remember, it's December price action too. This December can be a weird month, the holidays. Oh shit! I almost just choked on my smoothie. Fuck. Shit. Has anyone seen? Has anyone seen the Peanut guy, the YouTube, the first-person shooter streamer, Burnt Peanut or whatever? He almost died on a hamburger. That just came to mind. That was the funniest video ever. Oh god. If you haven't seen it, go watch. It's like 30 seconds. The Burnt Peanut chokes on a hamburger. It's during his live stream. There's probably like thousands of people watching, and it's just like he's got like a filter on. He looks like a fucking peanut. You've probably seen him. He's just choking to death on stream. You just see his eyes go all bug-eyed, and he's like, it's so funny. Yeah.
What's it called?
Huh?
What's it called?
Type in like Burnt Peanut. Burnt Peanut chokes on hamburger.
Oh, it chokes on big.
Spell hamburger. That's a UR. I knew it was a UR. Yeah, this one.
Smashing a Big Mac with over 40K viewers. Just another day in the office, Mr. Nut. That's right. That's right.
Here we go. He's gonna choke here.
Another day, another dollar.
Can't breathe. Right here, he can't breathe. Watch his face. He's choking to death right now.
Oh my god. That was actually the closest I actually got to choking and dying in my entire life.
Very funny. I'm sorry. It's the little things that bring joy in my life. All right.
Right.
We're back. It's obviously a continuation. Maybe we get the 10 a.m. reversal. It depends if that news is very bearish. If it gets a big red news for all this, then we might push a little further, get the 10 a.m. reversal. But yeah, I mean, yeah, price wants 89350. I'm pretty sure. That's the next 4-hour high. We've got some stacked highs that lead to it and leads us into a bearish gap below the next bearish gap. So that's a very, yeah. 891.
No, I didn't take it. Staying cash for today. Ending the week green. Still for Monday.
Did Samson explain that? Cash is a position. Everyone understands that? It's a position. You don't want to take a position. Cash is a position. Holding cash, doing nothing is a position.
First live big account. Let's see what this guy sent. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck?
What, this reversal?
Look at the GC.
Look at the general chat. What's going on in the general chat? Wait, what? Oh. What we got? Ryan. Whoa.
On the fucking live, bro.
Dude, I love the confidence, bro. Taking minis. That's wild. I'll get there. I'll get there eventually. But then again, with the live account, I guess because it's one account, that makes sense. You're basically taking 40 micros. But with the 20 Apex funders right now, there's no need to risk so much considering the trailing drawdown and the reward I can get off of
You
20.
do not do that
No, there's no point.
on 20 Apex accounts.
There's no point. Ryan has got it down though. He's got the confidence to take minis, and I love that. I have to get to that point. But
Right?
yeah, with the copy trading, bro, even if you go for $100 goal a day, if you're hitting that, you're able to take a $20,000 payout every month.
That's what I'm saying.
But yeah, no, that's Ryan. That's fucking amazing, bro.
Dude, for real.
Yeah, this long continuation. This was money.
I got that song stuck in my head, bro. That Kanye song.
Which one?
I'm not gonna say it on stream, bro.
Oh, it's not. It's not a good song.
Also, you want me to send it to you?
Okay. Yeah, Sick Boy Cole.
Let me see my text.
Yes. Jesus.
That's why I asked.
Jesus.
I was like, I'm not gonna send that shit out the blue, bro.
This world has gotten fucked up.
I don't know. I thought it was fake, but apparently, if you post it on YouTube, they delete it within like 24 hours. But this dude filmed a whole fucking music video about it. Like, the lyrics is fucking horrible, but this like kind of the beat and the rhythm is kind of hard. Like, I'm not gonna say the name of the song on here, but and this dude, if you go to the end of the song, he puts the fucking speech at the end of the song. I couldn't fucking believe it.
Oh yeah, I did hear about this song. Wow, that's wild. We'll see how that
Right?
works out for him. I think the best course of action is staying neutral because you don't take
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
side. Because I think you get repercussions no matter which side you choose. So I think it's best to just kind of stay in the middle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
Or just pretend like you don't even see it, you know?
Yeah. That was fast for me. I got my payout approval within 12 hours or 48, 24 hours.
With Apex?
Yeah, they this morning I missed it. They already sent me the approval.
Quick, what the fuck?
They like me because they know I'm liquid Levy. They're like, this
Yes,
guy's gonna
sir.
grow the company. This guy's about to have 1 million subscribers.
Yes, sir. Bro, when I used to withdraw from Apex, they used to take like to even approve, they used to take like a week or two.
Yeah, this is good.
You withdraw out of all accounts?
No, I had a trailing windfall. I made $1,700 in a good amount of the account, so I have to make just that amount back. I just have to get it within the 30%.
Oh, okay. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's fine. And by the time I do that, when I hit that threshold, all 20 accounts will be not equal in value, but they'll all be able to take at a minimum the $1,000, 20K payout.
That's insane, bro. Congrats.
Thank you, bro.
Bro.
Swear to God, what I just said is true. I had it. I had it. I was giving it.
What the hell, Hitler or the nigga?
No, I had the. Oh, Jesus. Where did that go?
I got you, bro.
No,
Nah, you can. I give you the
no,
prompt
I'm good. I'm
officially.
good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh man, this is just cooking, bro. One of these days, I'm just not gonna give a fuck, and I'm just gonna hold it. I had a feeling this was gonna. It had to go places, and it did. 755. We're almost up another 100 points, dude. It's taken 891. We can look for shorts at 891. It's a daily high leading into a daily fair value gap. ES doesn't have that same fair value gap. It doesn't have any bearish fair value gap, but that's significant enough. Um, and there's a chance for a bearish SMT. It doesn't look like it's going to happen because the high on NQ, that daily high leading into the daily fair value gap, this guy is this high on ES, which we've already passed, and has been taken out by this internal high. So it's a little wonky. Maybe ES takes one of these higher highs, one of these internal buy side, where NQ then delivers from the daily bearish. But yeah, honestly, I would take another trade today. It would be the short after 891 is swept. Sorry, 880. What the hell am I saying? After 880 even is swept, that is the daily high. Why is that above it? What did I do? Oh, okay. Okay. So that gets a little tricky now. So you can see on the 4 hour, on the what the fuck did I say? 880. Okay, 880. 893. Shit. All right, well, I'm just going to put two alerts. There's 880. So once we actually tap the daily high, and then this needs to be moved up just a couple ticks to 89375. Right there. So those are two different price alerts. As soon as we hit 880 even, that taps the same equal high of the daily high into the daily gap. But price may want 13, 15 more points to get into the 4 hour high into the 4 hour gap. Okay, so yeah, do with that information as you will. But yeah, no 10 a.m. reversal. Obviously, we didn't get that at all. We had some bullish 10 a.m. See that, a little bullish. So yeah, we're cruising on up. Kind of want a blind long. I kind of do. From here, we would only retrace back down to here. It's about a 90-point stop, so that's a little scary. I say we wait for the daily and 4 hour to get tapped, and then we'll look for a short if it's a really good setup. Only if it's a really good one. Oh my god, I can add it to my wallet? Damn. Alright. This is legit.
Yep, it's the real deal.
Holy shit. It's right there. Oh, I'm keeping it. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Oh, it comes up. It's got a QR code and everything. Whoa. Damn, Ethan. Nice, bro. Damn, I wish I was holding two. I could have got another 100 points. Oh, man. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's whatever. Oh, damn you, Ethan. Thought you were in the monies. We're still just grinding on up. Why the fuck didn't I hold this trade? Could have been up 100 more points. That's a lot of money. Could have bought some stuff today, but I'm not. But I'm not. Gonna have to do it on Monday. Gonna have
Yes,
to
sir.
make the money on Monday. Oh well. Well, next week actually there's some good news too. Watch. We have that why is that tentative still? Whatever. We have Jolt's jobs at 10 on Tuesday. Nothing on Monday. Monday might be a little Tuesday Jolts. Wednesday. Oh shit. Wednesday's FOMC. Wednesday is the rate cut decision. Holy shit. All right, so Powell's probably going to announce another rate cut. That's going to send us bullish, probably to all-time high by next week if we get the rate cut. Then unemployment claims Thursday morning. Oh yeah, we have so much good news next week. We're not taking shorts yet. They're not viable, not valid. If it dumps here, it dumps here. It's not gonna though. It would be very weird if it did. Yeah, a little pullback again. All right, we actually have a little bit of a break of structure here. I still don't like it. This was your dip for the long, but we may come down. I don't know, dip more. Yes, yes, Jay. I was talking about it. Right there is a place. 880 and then 890 are places where we could reverse. You're saying 980. I don't think we go that high. I think there'll be a nice reversal here. Up to you if you want to hold, but I don't think we go quite that high. Here we go. Almost could scalp that. You have a bullish SM. Well, it's not a bullish SM. But it was clean out of yes. You could almost take that. I would. We're pretty high up. Honestly, not bad. Last month I took like 10 plus trades a day. All right, we gotta tone that down a little bit. Try to go for 3. Tops 3. I like the 3 trade day there. Thursday wasn't bad. Yesterday, 5. Good profits though. Congrats on your first green week. And here's to many more. Yeah, that's all. Nice. Let's go. Yeah. Very nice. All right. I guess I'm going to stop the recording. And, well, I really want to go to the gym. All right, I'll be right back. Haven't pushed up much more. Sorry, Bruce. Oh boy. You know what? This has got to be one of those false dumps. We're just struggling for liquidity again, so it's coming back down. Probably to grab some more sell side liquidity quick before we continue up. Yeah, because we closed over that bearish gap right on the 4 hour. Yeah, I think we're going to push a little more. There's a potential long here. I just, again, waiting for the short. It may even want more sell side still to launch up from, but God, stop doing that.
Simple lifestyle. You have to cut all the crap out of your life because really your personal life has to be empty. So you can actually make very valuable decisions over and over again, multiple times. If you think about it like this, if your personal life is really hectic or your business life is really hectic all the time, it's going to affect your trading decisions. And vice versa, actually. If you have an extremely complicated, very hectic trading lifestyle, then it's going to affect your personal life. So your personal life and your trading life need to mirror each other. And decision fatigue is a big thing in the industry that you need to avoid because it creates scenarios where you can make bad decisions and you can cost a lot of money. So every professional trader knows that you have to absolutely have a personal life that's simple and a trading life that mirrors your personal life and vice versa. Trading life is very different. Trading life is very different. Trading is actually a very simple lifestyle. You have to cut all the crap out of your life because really your personal life has to be empty. So you can actually make very valuable decisions over and over again, multiple times. If you think about it like this, if your personal life is really hectic and your business life is really hectic all the time,
Wow, this one. It might need one more pass of sell side here and deliver out of the bottom, bullish for ES, and then this one, the current or below here. So it just broke into that area. Bullish SMT now. This long definitely looks better. It's completely filling this gap, completely filling the next. Bullish SMT. This is the long to take. Then you got a little room up to this one. There's your break even. So you're in 780 to 90, and then 80 to a little bigger on the stop loss here. I know we're leaving equal lows too. This one wants even lower. Why is it reversing so hard right here? Yeah, we still have took all this. We're so close to 80. Oh no. I think I just lost my mouse battery. So you might not be getting much. Hang on, I'll try and put it back on the 30-second in just a minute. That's horrible timing. I should have charged this fucking thing. enjoy that. Was it nice up there? Um, no, it's not really clear yet. Still. The only way would be like the minute close over. You got all of that just now because you have a swing low. Ugh. Yeah, but it's not even going to be that candle. Yeah, I don't know. I'd wait still for more confirmation. All right, that was a good reaction. If this candle can close over with some energy here and it holds, there's no wick, it's just body. That's good. That's good. Because remember, we got these stacked highs here. There's a bit of bearish liquidity to run through here. A lot of gaps here.
Yeah, be careful too, because we're gonna also tap in a 5 minute.
You like the 5?
No, we have a 5 minute imbalance like right above.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, those are equal highs right there. Didn't even go in yet. Okay. We're still holding though the break of structure. I just don't like that 30-second inversion, but we did just tap the 50%, which is you know, the 50%. That's a propulsion block, and that'll close over if it does on the 32nd. But then you're still under everything. You're still under the 5 minute. Um, third order block in a row, closing over. It's still like just fighting. Had the inversion and then the engineer liquidity, like kind of these stack lows beneath. It could work, but it's giving me the thought that it still wants more sell side. $25,709. Yeah, letting it fill that bullish gap and respect the higher low, the higher time frame. Yeah, that could work. This could be the start of a trend where we're kind of creating this new pattern, um, expanding out from this sell side sweep. Yeah, and we accumulated, manipulated, distributed up. So yeah, I do believe that this is a pullback to go longer, to go further up. I do. right, here we go. One last push down into IRL sell side. See if we can deliver out of here. Ooh. It just activated your trade, bro. You just bottom ticked it. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see if it'll bump through these stacked highs. Come on, let's see it for JJ. Let's see it for JJ. Let's see it. Come on. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Nope. I got you, JJ. For you, because you ticked it so well, bro, it's up to you if you want to still risk any losses, but that could be break even for you because you're down there, bro. You're sitting down there at break even. So honestly, yeah, I would, yeah, go break even. Just don't risk anything now. And we should move up because we're not going to come anywhere near. If this is meant to go, bro, you know that tick, this wick won't get touched. So that's up to you. You can wait, but if that's it, if that's the move right there, we're not going to come near that wick. We're not coming near that wick. It's looking good still. It's still looking like a chance. It filled the hourly. Only problem is it just didn't go inside this next 15 minutes. It doesn't really matter. I might start doing some limit orders like that too. I do like that. We tend to know what fair value gap we're going to come down into or up into. Let's go, JJ. Let's go, bro. Let's see this thing displace. I want to see a full body. Yes. All right, now I want to see more. No, I definitely don't want to see that. The fuck is that? The fuck is that? I would probably go break even at this point. Because again, your break even is this. This is you. This is you. That's you. That's JJ. Hold him up. Fuck out of here. All right, so we might be going for that low. Hopefully we got break even. We can look for another one. Fuck. All right, that's all right. Took the low. That's all right, bro. Look, there's still more bullish gap. So you were just trying to be perfect. Yeah, it bounced out. Don't worry. I like the blue line. Let's be a little more disciplined. Let's wait through this one. And let's wait for a sell side here to get swept because that is a significant wick. See that on the 5? So let's get into the last or the first presented fair value gap out of this sweep. That would be it. And if that one doesn't hold, then we're probably going to make a new lower low, right? All right, we're so close. There was some real momentum there. Oh boy. Neither took the low. Really got to wait for one of them to take, I think. All right, we're going for the blue line. We'll go back outside, Bruce. Didn't take that low yet. Oh, why is it doing this? We gotta come down and take that low. Boo. Oh, shit. Shit. This long is valid, but I don't like it because it didn't sweep the fucking low. Are you taking this? This 30-second? It doesn't look bad. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. And you got the stack highs. 743, you got 10 points above, 15 below stop. I mean, it's up to you.
Delivering out of an hourly too.
Yeah, like seriously, it's not bad.
And we're about to close bullish on the 2 minute. I might take this like super duper light size.
JJ, were you gonna take that? It hurts now. Now it's hard to take. Oh, retracement. Will the bullish gap hold?
Yep. If we close bullish delivering out of this 30-second,
It's everything. Break a structure, change a character, market structure shift. Yeah. This thing's got wings. Unless it wants the sell side wick down there. I'm just saying. There still is the off the open, which makes it more enticing to take that. And why we would maybe get a little pump action before a manipulation leg. So if one thing trading's taught me, it's to wait for your levels. You know, again,
Yep.
if it had done this exact price action, but if we had just come down and just tapped into that blue line, I'd be taking the trade. I'd be risking profits on the day. I would, because that was the perfect setup and the perfect way it was moving out with the momentum and then that. But I just can't, because it's so significant, that wick. We can maybe do another protected low play on the 5 minute.
A full port of this.
Do it.
I'm playing. I didn't even enter. I was waiting for the bullish OB on 32nd. All right, Libby, I think I'm gonna head out, bro. Hit the gym.
All right, dude.
Peace out, bro. Peace out, everyone.
Peace. All right, there's the sweep. JJ's getting cooked. I'm sorry, dude. We gotta wait for our level. This one's filling the gap. Totally. This is valid long. I like the quick ass momentum. I would have entered already. It's fast now. Now you're in the next bearish gap. Now you have to just get through it. See, here we go. Moving on up. Bigger stop loss, but the 30-second you could take because you got all that room. See that room you got? Oh, it closed over. It closed over. Let you close over. Let you close over. That was the 5-minute sweep. And we'll see what happens. Oh boy. So I took out the IRL buy side. That could have been a quick break-even trade for some. Some people would hold stop loss to the low, or close below. But now you're getting the tap back. Oh, is it not going to close over? No, I'm not in it. You too, JJ. Have a great weekend, bro. Got a little bit of a bullish S&T here. I think ES wanted a little more, so we'll see. All right, guys, it's 11:40. I had my one and done trade. Crushed it this morning. We were done technically at 9:30, 2 minutes after market open. So congrats to those that took the long. We have a ton of financial news next week. Got Jolts Tuesday, nothing Monday. Monday might be uneventful. We're going to look for just major liquidity sweeps and reversals. That's it. We're not playing any deliveries in range. Tuesday, Jolts Jobs 10 a.m. Red folder. Wednesday, FOMC afternoon. Jerome Powell rate cut decision. Okay, that's big. Then the next morning, unemployment claims. Friday, not much. So still got a big week next week ahead of us. It is still wacky December going into the new year. I'll be back for afternoon if I see anything I like. We'd have to take out an hourly low down here. We'd have to take out new daily lows here. All right. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna call the stream, the recording. Hope everybody has a great weekend if I don't see you.